নজর রাখবো পরবর্তী খবরে। সততা এবং দায়িত্ব বাচ্চাদের থেকে এটাই আশা করেন প্রিয়াঙ্কা গান্ধী। অন্যদের প্রতি সদয় সহানুভূতিশীল হতে হবে, বার্তা কংগ্রেসের সাধারণ সম্পাদক ও সাংসদ প্রিয়াঙ্কা গান্ধীর। প্রিয়াঙ্কা গান্ধী এই বার্তা দিয়েছেন, সততা এবং দায়িত্ব বাচ্চাদের থেকে এটাই আশা করেন প্রিয়াঙ্কা গান্ধী। অন্যদের প্রতি সদয় সহানুভূতিশীল হতে হবে, বার্তা দিয়েছেন কংগ্রেসের সাধারণ সম্পাদক ও সাংসদ প্রিয়াঙ্কা গান্ধী। কি বলেছেন তিনি, শুনবো।
Responsibility. I expect them to be honest, first and foremost to themselves, so that they can be honest to everybody around them. And I expect them to take responsibility for their own actions and for whatever happens to them. Because when you take responsibility for yourself, my friends, then you cannot blame the world and blame other people for what happens to you. And you have to stand up on your feet and fight for what you believe in, for what you feel responsible for, and what you feel is right. And the distinction between what is right and wrong can be taught to us by others, by our teachers, by our leaders, by our parents. But ultimately, it is taught to us by what is in our hearts. Our heart understands instinctively what is right and what is wrong. So as I stand here before you today, I would like to just tell all of you, because you are young and you have a whole life ahead of you, that true fulfillment for you will come. True happiness will come if you are loving, compassionate and kind to everybody else. And for that, you have to be loving, compassionate and kind towards yourself also. So don't be too hard on yourself. I was talking to your head boy and he told me that he loves the school. I said, why? He said he loves the school because it gives him freedom to express himself. And I think if that is one compliment for any educational institution, it is that. If you are able to give the children freedom to express themselves, to argue their points of view out, if teachers are able to listen to them and hear them out and help them to grow while understanding their point of view, then you have truly achieved success as an educational institution.